loves that wither, the old loves with wearier wings, and all dead years draw thither, and all disastrous things, dead dreams of days forsaken, blind buds that snows have shaken, wild leaves that winds have taken, red strays of ruined springs. We are not sure of sorrow, and joy was never sure. Today will die tomorrow. Time stoops to no man's lore. And love grown faint and fretful, with lips but half regretful, sighs and with eyes forgetful, weeps that no loves endure.